Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, KGR, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank God for another beautiful day. It's a little windy in New York, but thank God I'm alive, and I know you are glad also. Anyway, today I want to test this vehicle. It's a 2009 Cadillac CTS. Apparently there's a noise coming from the driver's side while you're driving it. So I want to bring you guys along and show you what the noise sounds like and what I suspect is going on with the car. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Support your boy in any way you can. I would gladly appreciate that. But having said that, it is showtime. Let's go ahead now and test this car. Just listen to the noise. That's all we're gonna focus on. All right, let's go ahead. I'll back up first now. And let me know if you hear the noise as well, so you guys is looking out for KG. That sounds good, right? All right, let's focus now. This truck is not good. You hear that noise? Hear it now. You hear that? Anybody hear that noise like? Ooh. Let's talk about the traffic light here now. We're gonna proceed in a minute. You're gonna see what the noise sound like. It sound like ooh. So I'm suspecting the hub bearing on the driver's side right here. But as soon as we proceed, I want you guys to let me know if you heard it. But I'm suspecting the hub bearing. Be patient. I'm at the light now, so we're following the rules. You can't beat the lights. All right, here we come. And it's a 25 speed limit too. You hear that noise? Hear that noise? Hear it? Ooh. Hear it? Hear that? Ooh. Hear it? Yeah. Ooh. Hear it? That's the noise right there. All right, we'll be back. Alright, so we're back now. I jacked the car up already. You guys were there when we tested the vehicle. So I just want to turn this hub. You will listen. When I was driving it, you might hear it. You hear that noise? You hear that? You can hear that, so you can't miss it. So that bearing right there is not good. So what I just took out the caliper. So there's a 3 bolt holding this guy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take off this T, maybe T25 or T30. We take off this guy. We bring out this we bring this guy out, you know, the rotor. Then there's a bolt right here, is a 10 that we need to take out for the we take out that one for the brake sensor. Then there's another 3 bolt at the back here. I believe it's a 13. We have to take off that. The speed sensor is going to come out. This guy is going to come out the rotor and all that, and 3 bolts, 13 bolts in the back there to bring out this guy. So let me go ahead and lose this speed sensor first. There's a 10. You might not be able to see it, but I don't want to move the camera, but you will see where I'm going to put mine to. I see right there. Take off that and take off the team. Something like the feet you lose it. That's a 10 buck right there. I'm gonna try to squeeze this guy. Okay. Thank God it's working really fine. Came out easily. That's a speed sensor. We'll put that one at the back there. So I'm gonna get a T to take off this guy, so we can bring this guy out, and I will lose the tree both at the back. Please bear with me, it's a little windy today. I apologize for that. Alright, we have the T30. I believe, let's see, servicing. Ta-da! I got it. So, I'll chop that boy in there. Take out that guy right there. Okay, it's cooperating. Slowly trick my head. Got the car. So it's always good to look first. You don't want to start just using a hammer to pick that guy right there. Top it for a hammer. Hammer. There we go. Got it. That's an easy KG. Doing it. There she goes. So put this guy in it to break it. There we go. Just have to be mindful with this thing here. It's truck over there. Alright, let me break this guy on this side. There's one on top here. To balance yourself that way. Make sure you have a good dark stand on it. So it's a long boat, but it's a little, got a washer on it. There's one more on this side. One there. Get it out. Now link of this car again. Alright, so now we did all of that, so we're just gonna get a hammer with top it right here. So we should get it out. Did you see that, boy? So watch it. You guys can't feel it, but I can feel it on my hand. Like the thing is stiff. It's not moving freely. I can just feel it in my hand. The movement is kind of dragging, you know, it's dragging. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna clean up this guy so that we can get it in easily. You all remember how this guy goes? It doesn't go like this. It should go like this, right? Because the caliper side is always cut up. So that's a good lesson for somebody. Just learn something. The caliper side is always cut up. So that's it. So we're gonna file up this place. Let me bring the new one. Show you the part number. The part number right there. Hope you can see it. I don't need to read it. Alright, so now bring it out. Beautiful. Beautiful, see? This one is just free. Just like that. Yeah. You know, should be happy. We're gonna test it together again. Make sure there's no more. That's beautiful. So, bought it from Arch. So let me stop the camera because I need to clean up this guy right here. So I'll bring you guys back after I do all that, and we'll finish wrapping it up. KG. Right. Okay, I clean it to the best of my ability. So I'm just gonna put some little bit lubrication here. Make it a little easy. Going, put some here as well. So we're gonna put this pan in. Just like this. I'll bring this guy. Just like that. Nice and easy. So what I normally do is I'll just use a boat. Use a boat to line it up completely first. So before I do anything, just put the boat. Once I put the 3 boats, everything line up. And sometimes you have to play the wiggle game on the back there. You can't really see. So I got the first one. There we go. Make sure you got it in with your hand. And you don't want to force it. Once we have the 3 in, go ahead. It should be fine from there. So sometimes that part can be a little funny. Put the last one there now. Good. Got his hole. Okay, so everything went in, thread in with my hand all the way down. Beautiful. Beautiful KG. See? So I'm gonna tie that now, and then I'll put the. So this guy is a rear wheel drive. So You don't use the front axle, so that makes it more easier for you to do this if you know this kind of car. Doing a job like this, balance is always the key. You want to make sure you balance. After you have eating African food. Oh my God. If you haven't tasted African food yet, you better test it. Jollof fries. All the good stuff, man. Gotta be open to new things, man. Trust me. Alright, so now we can put this guy right here. Before we even put the rotor, so you guys can see that. Put that 10 volt in there. So that's a speed sensor going in there. If you don't put that guy, speed sensor, you're gonna have a problem. Alright. Go ahead and tie that guy down. To have that power, just say, hey, wind, stop right there. The wind will stop blowing. But I don't have the power to do that. Okay, so that one is good now. So if you look at, see, beautiful, moving freely. So we're going to line up the rotor with this guy right here. That's where the rotor is going to go. Rotor, this hole right here, line it up with this guy. Once we do that, just like that. Bada boom, bada boom. Put some mirror penetrating oil here. It's always good to have handy. It will make your life go smoothly. Trust me. You can say that. Anytime I'm working, when I don't have no more penetrating oil, I just like want to buy. Because if you're doing a job that you need to put some liquid, just like that. So now we just put the cali pad. So the cali pad is held by 2 bolts, is 18 bolts. I know I didn't show that when I was taking it off, but it's just 2 bolts right there. And I lose it completely. I do close it from the pad and just close it right from the housing right there. So we push it in right there, just like that. There you go. So now we can put the. So let me put those both there and then tie that both. Let me do that. Stop the camera now. The important thing is done already. So the tire is back on, everything is back on there. So just lower the car now and we're going to be going for a drive. See how we do. Alright, so we're about to go for a test drive right now. Moments of truth. Waiting on the light right here. As soon as the light change, we're going to be driving. You guys heard the noise when I drove it the first time, so we all going to, you guys bear the witness now. Let's see if the noise is still there. noise was pretty loud before. Here you have it, KG. Please subscribe and support your boy in any way you can. Like the video, so share the video. What we're doing, sharing our wisdom, sharing our knowledge. I hope you learned something today. Shout out to Brooklyn. I will see you on my next episode. Peace. We are gone.